If your split system Fujitsu air conditioner isn't running as efficiently as it used to be, maybe it's not cooling efficiently, maybe it's not heating efficiently, or maybe it's not blowing efficiently, it could be that the filters need cleaning. So I'm going to show you how to access these filters and how to clean them. And clip the panel from the front. That's one side done. That's the next side done. Should lift up and hold. Now I've already done one side. This will be a comparison to show you what the differences are. So firstly, the clean side. And now the dirty side. Let's go and compare the two. So here's the clean one, and here's the dirty one. Best way to clean it is to brush lightly over it with a soft brush. Once you brush it off, it should be as clean as that one there, and then you can just install it again. And once they're clean, it's the reverse procedure to put them back in. Slide it up, clip it down. Next one, slide it up, clip it down. Now just before you close everything up, it's probably best to dust just above the filters so you don't have to clean them as quick as you had to this time. I hope that helps improve your air conditioner. Thanks for watching.